To insert SIM card in Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, first of all, we'll need to grab our device and then take a look on the bottom side right here. You can remove the slot using SIM ejection tool, like this. Then use your fingers to remove the tray. Now you will need to grab your SIM card, and in this case I have a SIM card that looks like this. It's not the original nano SIM, but you should get a nano SIM if you're planning on inserting it into this phone. Then align it with the slot so that there's this cutout fitting in the top right corner of your slot, and then you should be able to insert it in your phone like this. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.